Okay, so now let us take a look at this question. So let's say that in the diagram, the angle MNR is equal to 230 and the angle TSR is equal to 76 Now we have to find for the angle NRS. So NRS is going to be this angle. Now to solve for this, what we are going to do is we are going to first extend this straight line. So this straight line down here. Then now since this line is parallel to this line, it means that if this is 74, then this part over here should also be 74. Sorry, 76. So they are corresponding angles. Okay, so since this is 76, this should also be 76. Then let me label this part over here as A, and let me label this part over here as B. So now my diagram is going to look like this. So this angle corresponds with this angle. Then I label this part as A, I label this part as B. And remember, we are looking for the angle A. So to solve for this, now this over here gives me a straight line. So I have a straight line over here. So it means that this angle over here is 180. This is 180. That is angles on a straight line is 180. And I have this B over here. Now you realize that when I add the B to the 180, that is where I get the angle 230 So therefore the B plus 180 is equal to 230. Then from there I can solve for my B. So when I solve for the B, I'm going to get B is equal to 50. So I just move this to the other end. And I get B is equal to 50. So now this B over here is 50. Then now I get a triangle. So this is a triangle. And I know what this angle over here is. That is 50. So now we can do the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Then we solve for our A. So now the sum of the interior angles of a triangle, that is the A plus B plus 76 is equal to 180. Now we know the B to be 50. So we make our substitution. B is 50. And now we can solve for our A by moving this to the other end. And sorry, by adding the 76 and a 50 and moving to the other end. So when we do that, we are going to get A is equal to 50. So the angle NRS is equal to 54 degrees.